Let me take you on a journey to a planet often referred to as the Hell Planet. With a name that immediately strikes intrigue and curiosity, it's fascinating to understand why such a term was chosen. This term is not derived from imaginative science fiction tales or whimsical cosmic fantasies. Instead, it's a nomenclature that paints an incredibly vivid and detailed picture of an environment that's vastly different from our own. An environment that's so alien, it's quite nearly incomprehensible. It's a celestial entity that orbits second from the sun in our solar system. This positioning exposes it to an array of harsh and extreme conditions. For starters, the surface temperature is so intense that it could liquefy lead with ease. Imagine a terrestrial body where the ground beneath your feet can turn solid metal into a bubbling molten pool. The atmospheric pressure is nothing short of debilitating, with forces that can crush and flatten objects with frightening ease. Even the weather on this planet isn't something you'd find in any earthly meteorological forecast. The clouds overhead don't shower raindrops, instead, they rain sulfuric acid. Just the thought of such a downpour is enough to send shivers down your spine. These are not conditions conducive to life as we know it. They're a stark reminder of the kinds of extremes that exist across the incomprehensible expanse of the universe. This planet has been a subject of interest for scientific minds for many centuries with its complex and extreme conditions. It's a world of enigma that remains largely unexplored and not fully understood. Every detail we uncover about this celestial body raises more questions than it answers. Each fact we glean is a riddle wrapped in a mystery inside an enigma. Its hostile environment is so severe that it's garnered a fearsome reputation among those who've dared to study it. But how did we come to uncover its hellish conditions? How did we peel back the layers of mystery to reveal the extreme realities of this celestial body? Queries, we delve deep into the history, the discovery, and the unique characteristics of this less understood planet. Fasten your belts as we embark on this thrilling adventure of discovery and understanding. We'll journey through time and space to piece together the facts, the theories, the myths, and the mysteries that surround this awe-inspiring world. We'll unlock its secrets one at a time to understand why it is often labeled as the Hell Planet. Prepare to be amazed by the fantastic voyage that lies ahead. Brace yourself for the grand revelation, for the celestial body in question, the subject of our fascinating journey, is none other than our neighboring planet. The tale of Venus begins with its discovery, a story that takes us back in time. Venus, a resplendent gem in the night sky, has been known to us for thousands of years. It's one of the brightest celestial bodies, outshining every planet and even the most radiant stars. In the annals of human history, our ancestors observed this beaming object with a sense of awe and wonder. In the early days, Venus was often mistaken for two separate stars, the morning star and the evening star. It wasn't until the 6th century BC when the ancient Greeks realized that these were not two distinct entities, but one single planet. However, our understanding of Venus was not always accurate. For a long time, Venus was envisioned as a sister planet to Earth, a utopia of lush green forests and abundant life. Little did we know, Venus was to reveal itself as a world of extremes. The discovery of Venus sparked curiosity and paved the way for further exploration. As we delved deeper into the mysteries of Venus, we started to uncover its unique characteristics. This celestial neighbor of ours, often seen as Earth's twin given its similar size, is anything but a sibling when it comes to its physical properties. Venus boasts a dense and heavy atmosphere composed mostly of carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid. This thick blanket traps heat in a runaway greenhouse effect, making Venus the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury, which is closer to the Sun. Now imagine a world where the surface temperature averages around 865 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt lead. This is the daily reality on Venus. Its surface is a dry desertscape dotted with slab-like rocks, baked by the extreme temperatures. Another striking characteristic of Venus is its volcanic activity. The planet's surface is covered with thousands upon thousands of volcanoes. While we don't have concrete evidence of active volcanism right now, Venus has more volcanoes than any other planet in the solar system. Some of these are enormous shield volcanoes, similar to those in Hawaii but on a much larger scale. What's more, Venus's surface pressure is about 92 times that of Earth. That's equivalent to being 1 kilometer deep in Earth's oceans. This extreme pressure combined with the scorching temperature makes Venus a very inhospitable place. And let's not forget about the Venusian sky. It's perpetually overcast, with thick sulfuric acid clouds that rain sulfuric acid. However, due to the extreme heat and pressure, this rain evaporates before it ever hits the ground. Venus, with its searing heat, crushing pressure, and volcanic landscape, is a world of extremes. It's a stark reminder of how conditions can vary drastically in our own cosmic backyard. These harsh conditions on Venus contribute to its reputation as a hell planet. Despite its hostile environment, Venus has always intrigued scientists, leading to numerous exploratory missions. The first successful mission to Venus was achieved by the Soviet Union's Venera program. The Venera 7 probe, launched in August of 1970, was the first human-made object to successfully land on another planet and transmit data back to Earth. This remarkable achievement opened the door for further exploration of Venus. Following the success of Venera 7, the program continued to push the boundaries of space exploration. Venera 9, launched in June of 1975, became the first spacecraft to return images from the surface of another planet, providing us with our first glimpses of Venus's hellish landscape. But the exploration of Venus wasn't a feat achieved by the Soviet Union alone. NASA also contributed significantly to our understanding of this mysterious planet. In 1990, the Magellan orbiter was launched, mapping nearly the entire surface of Venus with a high-resolution radar, revealing details about its geology and topography. The European Space Agency, or ESA, followed suit with the launch of the Venus Express in 2005. This mission focused on studying Venus's atmosphere and climate, providing invaluable data about its composition and weather patterns. Japan's Akatsuki mission, launched in 2010, aimed to explore the atmospheric dynamics of Venus. Despite initial setbacks, the mission has since been successful in studying the planet's weather patterns and cloud formations. India's ISRO is also planning to explore Venus with its Shukryan-1 mission. The primary goal of this mission is to study Venus's surface and subsurface, its atmospheric chemistry, and the interaction between the planet's ionosphere and the solar wind. The exploration of Venus continues as we strive to understand this enigmatic planet. Each mission, each discovery, brings us one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of Venus, providing us with invaluable insights into our own planet and the wider universe. Our journey through Venus has revealed a planet of extremes. From its enigmatic discovery that sparked curiosity, to the unveiling of its stark and inhospitable terrain, Venus has proven to be a marvel in our cosmic neighborhood. A world shrouded in thick, toxic clouds where day matches the temperature of an oven set to self-clean, and night doesn't provide any respite. But it's not all doom and gloom. Despite its harsh conditions, Venus has been a beacon for exploration, a testament to human tenacity and our insatiable thirst for knowledge. The ongoing missions to this fiery world are continually rewriting our understanding of it and, by extension, our place in the universe. Venus, in all its fiery glory, serves as a reminder of the extremes that exist beyond our blue-green oasis. So, the next time you look up at the night sky and spot Venus, remember the fascinating story behind this hell planet.